That's your entire supply for the season.
We got 30,000 orders in there that's been shipped out.
What is the business?
For the Christmas decoration internet business, ChristmasCentral.com.
It's one of the biggest Christmas suppliers in the.
The weight of the, it can only take so much weight, and it gives, and what it's made to do, unfortunately.
There are no victims in there. Nobody was in there. It was confirmed through the owner also. So basically, what you have here is a massive roof collapse that somebody's gonna have to clean up.
When it collapsed, the gas lines broke.
Yes, but the gas has been secured. Everything's been secured. There's no hazard here at this point, so we don't have to worry about anybody getting hurt.
How many employees are impacted?
About 250 people we employ.
Concerning the hazard,
Guys, thank you. Where are you from?
Buffalo, New York.
Yeah?
Buffalo, what's that?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you very
Mayor
much.
Byron Brown, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Otherwise, get assistance and we can't get to them. Besides that, our concern is okay.
Careful there, sir.
You got that one?
Thank you.
All right, little carbs. You'll burn it right off. Don't worry about it.
Go, one more, folks. One more. Thank you very much.
Yeah, just a little fuel to keep you going.
Stay safe, guys.
Share it
Stay
with all the
safe.
folks working. Thank you, everybody.
Stay safe.
Appreciate it. How are you?
I'm trying to get back to town.